Hello, welcome to Shine Your Light. My name is Amber, and I have another deck by Paolo Barbieri to unbox, open, and go through. This is the Unicorns Oracle deck, and I did purchase this from Amazon along with the other three there in the background. This Unicorn Oracle deck is a 34 card deck with a book, and the back of the box says a 34 card meditation deck for the soul. From mundane to magical, from transitory to eternal, an oracle dedicated to the spirit of pure, uninhibited fancy. So, as a child, I was obsessed with unicorns. So, the artwork by Paolo Barbieri is just so unique and beautiful, and I'm just really curious to see what he has done with the unicorns. This is a box with a cover. And as the other decks have a ribbon, this does as well. Just helps lift those cards and book out when you need them. All right, and ooh, this is nice. It's just very elegant, almost like a regal look to the back of the cards. I like that. And this is the book. It's just such a cool unicorn. Has a table of contents, and as per his usual, it has several languages in this book. And this says, dedicated to the spirit of pure, uninhibited fancy and flight. From mundane to magical, from transitory to eternal, imagine yourself traveling along an endless road of wonder and fantasy, journeying from forest to forest, place to place, town to town, time to time. This road leads your soul to a realm unbounded by the limitations of the material plane. Here is the marvelous, magical traveling path of the unicorn. Along this infinite road, you allow the unbelievable to take complete control and lose all sense of boundaries and limitations. And it is here, along this journey, that you encounter a parade of color and fancy, the fabled and timeless path of the unicorn, sought by many, but rewarded to only those deemed worthy enough to welcome fancy and flight into the very core of their being, recalling that which is at times forgotten in this life. In joy, in dance, in laughter, in constant motion, but at a leisurely pace. Come now along this journey and witness the wisdom of 34 unique, special, and powerful unicorn spirit guides, as each reveals to you their wisdom and a special message for you as you travel your path. Will you heed the call? All right, they have how to use the deck. They have transformation, meditation, affirmation, action. So let's just take a look at this deck. All right, so here's the back. They are glossy, the back of each card. And this first card is the card from the box and the cover of the book. And it is number 1, not a dragon. purity. It's cute. Ooh. Not a flame, creativity. Three. Not a snowman, mystery. These are pretty cool. They are different. Number 4. Not a tree, roots. Look at that. Number 5. Not an angel, divinity. They are beautiful cards. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Number 6 is not a barn owl, wisdom. I love it. This is my favorite so far. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. Number 7, not an horse, direction. Number 8, not a seahorse, perspective. That's really cute too. 9, not a centaur, fighting spirit. Gosh, look at that hair. Feathery type hair. It's just awesome. They are definitely not all traditional unicorns in this deck. Number 10, not a deer, harmony. Let's look at that. It's beautiful. Number 11, not a raven, omen. 12, not a demon, desire. 'Oh, that is so cute. Number 13 is not a flower, vulnerability. Look at its eyes. Oh, it's just so cute. 14, not a cat, hunting. 'I'm curious why some of them have more of the monochrome look as the other decks do, so I'll have to look into that. Number 15, not a street lamp, clarity. It's interesting. 16, not a clock, time. 17, not a peacock, beauty. That's interesting. The colors are nice. 18, not a planet, space. That is really cool. 19, not a stone, simplicity. Check out the little fairy on there. Number 20, not a swing, choice. That's different. 21, not a wave, intensity. Please excuse my dog Atlas in the background. Oh, look at the little origami birds flying in the background. 21, not a boat, journey. That's a pretty cool card. 23, not a constellation, hope. 24. Not a butterfly. Metamorphosis. 25. Not a fairy. Magic. 26. Not a leaf. Ending. That is pretty cool. All made out of leaves. 27. Not a snail. Calm. I must say, I don't think I've ever thought of a snail combined with a unicorn before. 28. Not a mountain. Stability. 29. Not a cloud. Fluidity. Is that Nemo? 30. Not a mermaid. Daring. 'Look at these. 31. Not a yeti. Strangeness. They are so cute. Look at them. 32. Not a hairstyle. Pride. It's almost like a steampunk style in a way. 33. Not a race. Rush. Look at all of them. Even a frog. Look at the turtle up here. It's so cute. 34. And this is the last card. Not a tiger. Majesty. And that is one beautiful unicorn. All right. This deck is about the same size as the other decks. And we'll just give them a shuffle. We'll try that again. They shuffle very nicely, as do the other decks. Very easy to handle with not being too thick of a deck, not too wide or tall of a deck. This one is Not a Wave. Intensity. I'll just look that one up. Okay, number 21, Intensity. Not a wave. And it says, looks like it has a transformation message, meditation message, affirmation, and action message. Not a wave. The transformation message is, you arrived at a coastal region along your journey and watched the waves crash into the land. The force and power are hypnotizing. The rhythms rock and move you into a meditative state, and in that moment, the wave unicorn doth awake. Feel the power and the crash. Ride the waves while they last. You can fly on wings with the wind she brings. The wave unicorn crashes through with a resounding splash and deafening boom. The meditation message is, feel the waves breaking, see them crash. Allow the spray to tickle your face as all your senses give in to an intensity and force that is greater than yourself. You are one with this force. Now ride alongside the wave unicorn. The affirmation message is, I ride the wave of life with intensity and power. I am a force. The action message is, if you are blessed to live along the coast, take a beach day and enjoy the power and sounds of the ocean. If you are landlocked, search for a video or recording of ocean sounds and enjoy the intensity of Mother Nature's music. Mama Ocean is speaking. Listen closely. That's pretty neat. Well, I truly appreciate you being here, going through these with me, and let me know what you think of this deck. If you like this artwork, this unique, interesting art of Paolo Barbieri, I do have a few other videos with decks by him that you will find in my unboxing playlist. So check those out. And again, I truly appreciate you being here. And until next time.